In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Panasonic TV if it won't turn on. I will show you a couple different methods to try and fix this problem to avoid any costly repairs or buying a new TV. The first method is to unplug the TV from the wall. Wait 60 seconds, be patient, wait the whole 60 seconds. This is a power reset on your TV. Then plug it back in and try turning it back on. If this doesn't fix the problem, then try unplugging it from the wall again and hold on the power button for 15 seconds. This will drain all the remaining power from the TV. And then wait another 10 seconds before plugging it back in. Then plug it back in and turn the power on the TV switch itself, not the remote control. If this doesn't work, then another trick would be to try plugging the TV in a different wall outlet, just to make sure that there isn't anything wrong with the power going to the current outlet that your TV is plugged into. Well, hopefully one of these methods worked. If not, I'll put a link in the description down below for a TV that I recommend. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.